Hey candle friends, um, welcome. If you are new here, hello, my name is Ashley and I am the owner of Mrs. Frizz & Co., a small handcrafted candle company located in Ontario, Canada. On this channel, we talk about everything from candles, candle making, to a behind the scenes look at owning your own small handcrafted brand. If that's something that interests you, I would love for you to hit subscribe and stick around. Listen, I wasn't planning on filming this right now, but here we are. I have a couple packages that I have just had sitting at the door, and I wanted to smell them with you. I always talk about the same supply. I'm missing a box. There it is. I always, sorry. Oh my God, it's a mess over here. I always talk about the same suppliers. And I have been branching out lately and trying some new ones. And these guys I wanted to talk about because, firstly, everything I've ordered so far has been chef's kiss. Amazing. Sorry, this is so impromptu. I haven't even opened boxes. Wait, what? So I wanted to share a few of my purchases and a little thank you. Isn't that sweet? So this is from Voyager Soap and Candle Supply. They are in BC, I believe. In BC? I think they're in BC. I have talked about, oh wow, there's a lot of packaging here. I have talked about them in the past because I have been using some of their fragrance oils for a little while, but I have been ordering more and more from them lately. Their shipping, I will say this box took a while to get to me, but usually their shipping is super fast, relatively affordable, because if you're in Canada, you know that we pay an arm and a leg for shipping. The first thing I ordered from these guys, these are cool. I've never seen these before. And I thought this would be fun for a seasonal collection this winter. This is these, how does this work? Oh. Sorry, I'm going to use these this winter. These are I mean, maybe I won't be able to show you how this looks put together because I'm not smart enough to figure it out. Anyways, what these are supposed to be are wicks. Did I get it? Oh. I think it goes, oh my God, these are a little fragile. There's got to be a trick to this, and I just don't know it. Oh my gosh. Oh, these fell apart. Oh no, I already broke one. Okay, well, I probably should have started it in here. That might have helped. This is a very lackluster video so far. This will definitely be a tester. Okay. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to learn how they work, and then I'm going to just pop it onto the screen so that you guys don't need to watch this painful exchange. It's supposed to look something like that. Does that make sense? X-Wicks. That's what I bought. I bought X-Wicks, okay? X-Wicks, opal white. They're very cute. I saw them online, and they looked adorable. About 100 of them, so hopefully I learn how they work. I will pop one up on the screen. Anyways, that's number one. It's been a few minutes, and I just wanted to come back and say that I got it. Okay, can you... I'll do it like I'm a... Can you... How do people... Oh my God, wow, the beauty YouTubers make this look so easy. Look at that. There it is. Oh, yeah, there it is. See that? Oh my God. I don't know how this works. See that? It's an X, like a little. Anyways, these are super cute. And I have some tiny little vessels that I'm going to use this holiday. And people are always saying, oh, I love the wood wicks. So anyways, I just had to come back and let you guys know that I figured it out. The other thing that I bought from them, I think I bought more wicks. My wick game has been really changing lately. I use a coconut soy blend. And this is different. They just box their wicks. Oh, I could have told you what it was. They box their wicks just in a box. Typically, I buy wicks from Village, so they come in bags. Yeah, anyways. So I bought wicks. These are pre-tabbed candle wicks. These are Premier 765s. I believe if you buy them from Village, these are the large ones. I've pretty much switched to entirely Premier wicks, which is what I was saying before I got off on a tangent. But I I always used Stabilos and Ecos and some HTPs. HTPs I find run really hot. But anyways, I have pretty much converted entirely to Premiers, and I'm a fan. Okay, the other thing I bought, Azure Horizon. Azure. I have no idea what this smells like. If you've been around for a while, you know that I am doing a summer collection that is very lake-esque. I live in a lake community. I live on Lake Simcoe in Ontario, and we have, I mean, my whole town basically revolves around the lake. So I thought this year for my seasonal summer collection, I would do all beachy inspired scents. Oh yeah, that's beachy. That is so pretty. That reminds me of the lake. Morning lake vibes. I have no idea what is in it. Definitely some bergamot. I don't know. I watch these videos and I'm like, how do you guys know all the scents? Like, I'm just like, that smells pretty, or nah. This is very coastal. This reminds me more of like walking on the ocean. I like that. I will find out what is in it and pop it up on the screen somewhere. So that's a winner. That's Azure Horizon. I will be making test candles out of that for sure. And then the other, I love how they package too. Now I'm not nuts about their jars only because, I'm not nuts about their jars only because I always switch the lids. Like these lids just don't do it for me when I'm pouring. So I always switch the lids out to the streamy lids, like the squeezable lids. But these are glass. I'm not squeezing nothing on these. So then when you're pouring them, you're standing there like this, trying to shake out the scent. So I know what this is. This is Lakeside Morning. This is a Bath and Body Works dupe. Guys, I haven't been to Bath and Body Works in so long. I truly couldn't tell you if this is a good dupe or not. But what I can tell you is that I made this into car fresheners and room sprays, and they sold out in 3 days. So again, that is a lake scent. That both of these are beautiful. I will pop up the notes in the Lakeside Morning. Now that I think about it, Voyager is not great at listing all the notes on their website. So I'll see what I can find. But this is just fresh and clean. Literally like you opened your windows and you are on the lake, and just like that fresh, crisp air that hits you. It doesn't smell. Yeah, I like that one. That's and it's popular. I don't know if my customers know that it's a dupe. I don't advertise that with it. I literally just. Okay. The other place that I bought. So this is from a different supplier. This is Windy Point, and I believe they're in Calgary. Edmonton? Calgary. They are in Calgary. So these guys, I have ordered a few different fragrance oils from them. That is all I have ordered from them so far. Oh my God, so good. Now, yes, I bought 2. Tobacco Rose and Chirosa 71. Now, if you are a Sol de Janeiro guy, whatever, you would be familiar with the Chirosas. This is the like woody vanilla one, 71. Oh, it's so delicious. It's one of my favorite. It's got like caramel in it. So I'm so excited to see if this is actually a dupe, because if it is, there will be a lot more of that coming my way. And this Tobacco Rose, this was actually requested for me by a customer. I have a rose scent. I don't like it. So when they asked for a Tobacco Rose, I was like, I don't know, but let's see. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's fresh too. I was expecting, I don't know if you've smelt, oh my goodness, Way makes perfumes, and they have one called Melrose Place. Melrose Place. Melrose Street? No, Melrose Place, I think. And it is heavy rose, and it is, I wear it, but it's rosy. That tobacco really makes this nice. Like it is, I would wear this as a perfume. There must be a Tobacco Rose perfume. This is too pretty to be like a Tom Ford kind of thing, but I know he does a lot of tobacco. This is beautiful, and it's fresh, and it's not heavy on the I mean, you can pick up the floral, but it's not like that heavy floral scent where you feel like you are visiting your grandma. Because I'll be honest with you, that is why I don't love florals sometimes. They're just a little too baby powdery for me. I love how they tape these. I mean, you don't want your lid falling off in transit, okay? Ooh, I wonder. Oh, guys. Okay. I will say, for the Chirosa line, this one is heavy gourmand. So if you're not into that, then this will not be for you. I would try 40 or what's the Beja floral. Oh my God. This is it. Wow. That's incredible. I'm going to need to order so much more of this. It smells exactly like Chirosa 71. Exactly. I spray my pillows with that at night sometimes because it's just so like warm and inviting. Yeah, so this is vanilla, some caramel, heavy caramel. Oh, woodsy. This is so good. So anyways, if you're looking for a dupe, they offer the full line also. They have like 5, I want to say, different Sol de Janeiro products or Sol de Janeiro type products. So if you're looking for those, I highly recommend. I've also tried the Chirosa 40, and I don't want to say too much, but I ordered a lot of it because she's going to be in my summer collection. But anyways, guys, like I said, I wasn't even going to film this. I just thought sometimes it's nice to see a little haul, a little sniff. Sorry that I'm not better with my sniff descriptions, but we'll work on it. Okay, well, that is all. I hope you found this slightly entertaining or whatever. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below, guys. What suppliers have I not ordered from that I need to? Who are the best suppliers in Canada? Because we're doing our best to keep our business in the country right now. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, candle friends.